hashtag?
Tagging an account, you're tagging that account directly. So I'm not sure if I think you had saw the post the other day where I did tag my mentor. I tagged his actual profile, and then what if I was on Instagram, I would have been able to tag his Instagram page, but and directly, someone can just click on it and visit the page. Using a hashtag, they mostly work on Instagram more so than Facebook. I think Facebook will get into the hashtag system sometime later. They just have a lot of stuff going on, so they don't really need to
Mhm.
push hashtags like that. For Instagram, a popular term is real estate investor. So if you click on the
Okay.
hashtag or type in search hashtag real estate investor, you'll be able to see everybody who's used that hashtag. So they'll have a picture of them with a hammer, or they have a picture